Alright. Now we are going to read a sixth Makharij. Okay? The sixth Makharij is that of Kaf. This Kaf is not a full mouth. And it is next to that of Qaf place, but towards the mouth. Kaf is pronounced with a soft sound. Then Qaf. Yeah? Kaf is a soft letter. Remember the point. Sixth Makharij is that of Kaf, and it is next to that of Qaf place. Remember Qaf place, what is?
Qaf.
Yeah, Qaf place. When the innermost part of the tongue, for example, its root meets the plate root of the mouth near uvula. But Kaf, and it is next to that of Qaf place. Next to that of Qaf place. But towards the mouth. Towards the mouth is the point. Yeah? And the second point, Kaf is pronounced with a softer sound than Qaf. Understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Kaf is pronounced with a softer sound
Yeah.
than Qaf.
Yeah, good girl. MashaAllah. Good girl. Yeah. Revise it.
Sixth Makharij is